the next stop in our series 111 places you don't want to miss in Vancouver, retracing the steps, is close to the world's 35th best university, UBC, University of British Columbia. Beautiful campus over here at the tip of the land, as you can see on a map. We're going down to the beach. We're going to see something very, very interesting with lots of historic significance. We may even see some graffiti. I'm not sure. Let's go take a look.
No wrong, everyone exceeds expectations. With you, we are in the school of imagination. No fail, no grade, just do it for your satisfaction.
Do you know where the lighthouse is?
Lighthouse is in the West Vancouver.
No, there's one here. Maybe at that corner? It's a famous lighthouse. It's on Tower Beach.
Oh, I didn't know so.
Ah, no problem. I'm doing 111 places in Vancouver. It's in a book.
Okay.
And the book says it's Artillery Lighthouse on Tower Beach. It has graffiti, you know, like that.
How about that? You shoot me. I will say this is the lighthouse. so you get lighthouse now.
Where are you from? China?
Yeah.
谢谢，你好。
Okay. Oh, you shoot me. I say this is lighthouse.
Okay.
So you got it right.
I need the truth.
Okay. Yeah, this is truth. Look.
Are you on vacation here? Or
No,
you live
I
here?
live here.
Are you studying UBC?
No, I live here.
Okay.
Immigrate here. I
Here, come on. We'll take. We'll make this a thumbnail.
Yeah, lighthouse
Get the
now.
pretty-
It's a
Come on over
lighthouse.
here. We need the pretty girl in here. Always have a pretty girl in your thumbnail. There we go. And you come on in there.
Yeah.
Come on, you too. Then you will be in the YouTube.
Okay.
I need more arm. Okay.
Yeah, this is a lighthouse.
These are good
We
people.
are family. Light ball, 2 light ball.
My channel, Advisor Danny. Advisor Danny, maybe in 1 week or so I will start putting this series up, and then you will be on it.
Okay, good.
Where is it? On the YouTube?
YouTube and Rumble, both.
Rumble.
But YouTube Advisor Danny. Rumble is no censorship. Sometimes I'm not politically correct, so YouTube doesn't like this.
I see.
So
So you can go there.
that's pretty cool.
How about you?
Go. Have
And go for a ride?
Yes.
I go ask them if they want to take me. You have a good day. Did you climb down those steps?
Yeah, plan this step.
Are you going to climb back up?
I tell you, this naked beach.
I know
in
the
summer.
sign. I almost took my clothes off,
Oh, really?
but I did.
Take a picture.
The picture swimming in the water. Nice to meet you all. You're good people.
Have a nice day.
Let's go see what these people are doing. Seaforth Environmental. Do you guys know where the lighthouse is?
Lighthouse.
This one here?
The light tower.
It's a famous,
If you go up to the Museum of Anthropology,
right?
go in behind to the Point Grey Battery,
Artillery something.
to the Point Grey, what they call the Point Grey Battery,
Yeah.
there is a plaque with pictures of these in 49 or is it 39 with the lights in them and what the beach looked like.
So there's not an original one anymore.
This is it.
This is it.
If you
Okay.
go to the Point Grey Battery up top behind the museum, take trail 4, go back up. There's a display. The display is the actual battery where the guns sat and the doors are painted, shells, ammo, and there is a plaque.
Thank you very much. That's
Shows
helpful.
it.
Thank you.
Cool.
Yeah, it's in a book, 111 places not to miss in Vancouver. This is number 6. And he's got pictures in his book.
There's pictures of the tower there. I think there's 6 million candle power. And it shows people used to think the guns were here. These were the lights were.
But it was the last place, his book says, where there was fire, where there were shots. And the only boat they sunk was actually
Off Victoria.
a freighter or something. Wasn't even a battleship.
Well, there, you know, it's like that old thing. There was, a Japanese or shelled something during, I think Mel Brooks did a movie on that. But so light tower.
Oh, there's one over there too.
Yeah, the battery's up
Way
top.
over there.
So the plaque will show the original photos on the
Very
plaque. 'cause
cool.
It is commemorative.
So
but you
beautiful.
get to see what it looks like. And there was a 2x4 plank running into the beach. It was all sand, not a single tree here.
Thanks,
and then
man.
they show pictures of the guns. They were 9 inchers.
I appreciate your info.
Well, I mean, my grandpa and I used to go on ships all the time, so I kind of grew up on this. But you see the big guns, and you see where they sit. That's the spot.
Right.
And kids used to party in there. But the doors are all painted up, and it shows ammo, shells, and stuff. And
Cool.
it shows their range and how big. And so the power station is that bunker there. That's the generator house.
Where I can see the graffiti
that's
through
from-
the
yeah.
trees.
We bolted all off because,
Thank you, man.
Methies would live in there.
Hey, Merry Christmas. Just in case I don't. So, what we just looked at was the artillery searchlights, hidden relics of World War II. Hi. That's a good walk up the hill, isn't it?
Oh my goodness. It's almost not worth it.
Is it your first time going?
No, I was here for